Good afternoon, guys. I am going over to the mall, and then I'm gonna go over to Target to get some groceries. I did export my, I think it was my 108th, yeah, it's definitely my 108th vlog, and when I get home, I'm gonna upload it, and then I will, I guess edit this one once I upload the footage, and and then I don't know, I don't really know if there was like this one person who honked. I don't know if they were like honking at me. I know they were looking at me, but yeah, it's just so unexpected that now I've lost my train of thought. Alright. Okay, now I know. Okay, I'm gonna upload this footage once I'm at home and done. And yeah, I'll edit this vlog. I think it's my 109th. I gotta write down the number of vlogs that I have now and when I'm at. Anyway, well, yeah, and I'll edit some more of my collage montage, and I don't know, so I'll be done with it tonight. Hopefully. So I'm having some Subway and, yeah, just at Valley Fair, chilling. But yeah, I'll be here for a while and then, you know, go shopping somehow at night. Some grocery shopping. Yeah, I was gonna say, or what do you think I'm gonna say, but yeah, I'll just get out. Why not get your own? What's up? You want you? It's all mine. Yeah, today's the 23rd, and in just 1 month, I'll finally be starting college again. Or just, yeah, I'll be starting fall quarter. And I guess that my high school, yeah, the school for that just started. The school year over at Cupertino started. I do feel bad for not going over there to visit, but like visit as like come there like when it's brunch or lunch. I am waiting for the bus right now. Well, 26, and that, yeah, instead of going over to Target, I went a little bit further and, yeah, decided to check out Nob Hill. And, and so I did get myself a couple of bags of grapes. It's quite a lot for me to carry since I don't drive, but, yeah, bought along my wall. Whole Foods bag. So yeah, it's not plastic, I won't tear. There, I got a whole bunch of grapes. Even got a Starburst sweet tarts. Damn it. Yeah, got myself some sweet tarts. Just for when I need them. Anytime that I'm tired or anything. So yeah, I went over to Nob Hill, got some grapes, and they look so fresh. They look so good, and they're also big. Yeah, pretty big grapes. And, oh, yeah, they look like really yummy. Good. I'm actually I'm actually sort of like standing outside where there's a big lots, big exclamation point lots. And yeah, just waiting for the bus. I can't wait to get home and put these grapes in the freezer and
fridge. Just, yeah, can't wait to get home, put the grapes away into the fridge, and then upload my 108th vlog. I'm betting it's my 108th vlog, and then, yeah, edit this one. Unless there's like some other one that I'm editing. I'm losing count. It's everything. Bah. Anyway, I'm just gonna be editing a lot once I get home, and I'll upload whatever number of a vlog it is that, yeah, is to be uploaded today after the one that was uploaded yesterday. Not much else to do other than wait. They're good. Yeah, they look so fresh and good, and yeah, if you want very good grapes, go to Nob Hill. And I'm just gonna wrap this up. And like this if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you enjoy my vlogs. Take care. Stay tuned for more of my vlogs after you subscribe. Either way, just stay tuned for more vlogs. Have a good night and or good morning, whenever you watch this.